So I recently traveled from Indore to Delhi, and my experience as a passenger was not so good, because there are passengers who still don't take these things seriously. Like, they don't take safety measures, and they are not ready to wear mask, they are not ready to wear face shield, and they don't want to wear PPE kit. But it is for your own safety. So like, I know that we as a cabin attendant, we also wear PPE kit, mask, hand gloves, and also a face shield. But and we have to work along with all these things. और वो सारी चीज़ें पहनकर काम करना बहुत difficult है, but still we do. But passengers, they only have to sit and relax. They still don't want to follow such procedures, and they don't listen to the cabin attendant, they don't listen to the crew. Despite of making n number of announcements that you have to sit and wait for the other passengers to go. Like, if we instruct them that you have to deboard row wise, that only one row at a time. ऐसा नहीं कि सारे पैसेंजर्स एक साथ खड़े हो जाओ और पूरा आयल आप ब्लॉक कर दो, और लाइक व्हाट्स द रश, इतनी क्या जल्दी है आपको डीप्लेन करने की. सो यू कैन वेट, बिकॉज दैट इज़ फॉर योर ओन सेफ्टी. आपको सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू नीड टू रियली कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड दैट यू नीड टू बी हेल्दी एंड फिट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू फ्लाई. बिकॉज अगर आप फ्लाइट में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू submit a declaration form wherein you mention that you are physically fit and you are not suffering from cold, cough or fever, or you have not stayed in a containment area, and if you're not found well, or if your temperature is high, or if you're suffering from cough, cold, and you have given the wrong details in your self declaration form, then you won't be allowed to board the flight, and on top of that there would be penal actions taken against you. So you need to keep these things in mind. And after that, web check-in is now compulsory. So if you don't do the web check-in, like it is the window of 48 hours to 60 minutes prior the departure. So उतने टाइम पीरियड में अगर आप वेब चेक इन नहीं करते हैं, और अगर आप एयरपोर्ट पे जाके वेब चेक इन करते हो, दैट वुड बी चार्जेबल. 100 rupees or so you have to pay for it. But now it is government mandated, and you have to do the web check-in prior reaching to the airport. And you need to get the printout of your boarding pass, and you also need to print your baggage tags. जो भी आप चेक इन बैग लेके जा रहे हो, यू हैव टू जस्ट प्रिंट योर बैगेज टैग्स ऑल्सो, और वो आपको अपने चेक इन बैग में लगाना होता है. And you cannot carry on baggage along with you. Just a check-in bag, that too of 15 kg for domestic flight and 20 kgs for international flight. And now this depends at airline to airline, because like in Indigo you cannot carry a carry-on baggage or a cabin baggage. You just need to carry a purse or a handbag that you can put on your lap or under the seat in front. So this is to avoid the rush in the aisle, so that the people should not एक के पीछे एक लोग लाइन में ना लगे सिर्फ अपने बैग्स अरेंज करने के लिए इन द ओवरहेड बिन्स एंड हेड ट्रैक्स. वंस यू रीच द एयरपोर्ट, योर टेम्परेचर इज बीइंग चेक्ड, and then you drop your baggage, and your boarding pass is being scanned. Then you go for the security check, and before security check there's a CISF personnel sitting over there, who is there to capture your identity card, जो भी आपका be it Aadhaar card or anything, you just have to hold it in your hand, and the other hand you have to hold your boarding pass, and you have to get your picture clicked in the CCTV camera over there, and then you have to go for the security check, and then you go to the boarding gate. And boarding gate pe before boarding you get your safety kit, that is your PPE kit, your face shield, face mask and hand sanitizer. So the PPE kit is provided to those passengers who are seated on the middle seats of the rows. So I was seated at 11 Echo, so that's why I got the PPE kit also. Otherwise the passengers sitting on the window seat and the aisle seat, they only get the face shield and the face mask and also the hand sanitizers. So you have to take that, you have to wear that PPE suit, and then only you can board the aircraft. So once you board the aircraft, you have to go and board the aircraft according to your seat numbers, and then just before your boarding the aircraft is properly cleaned and sanitized, so you don't need to worry about it, and you need not to spray any other clinical products over there because uska opposite reaction ho sakta hai. So just keep that in mind because it's already clean, तो आप वहाँ पे दूसरे अपने products जाके spray करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And after that, now airlines have also started providing food and snacks on board. So if you want that, you just need to pre-book your meals because वो उसी हिसाब से फिर upload होता है cart में. So if you want, you can pre-book your meals or snacks, whatever you want. And after that, it's just that you need to follow the rules that and you need to follow the instructions that the cabin attendants tell you. That is for your own safety. That is nothing to do with them क्योंकि वो तो अलग ही खड़े हैं, उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, बट वो आपके और आपके फेलो पैसेंजर्स की सेफ्टी के लिए है. एंड आई गेस दैट बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है ये सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करना, सो प्लीज़ डू फॉलो दोज इंस्ट्रक्शंस. I just hope that this video was helpful to all of you, and it was a short travel guide for all of you to travel by air in these times after COVID. And please stay safe, take extra care of yourself. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for all your support. Just like my video and comment in the comment section below if you like it, and also follow my Instagram page to get the aviation updates and to know more about this profession and about this particular field. Thank you. Bye bye.